All right, today's lesson is on 4.6, quick graphs using slope-intercept form. So far in this chapter, we've looked at how to graph linear equations. And we started off by graphing linear equations by making a table of values where we wrote the x values, we chose those, -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. We solved for y. That will work every time. But we kind of discovered that it's a long process. Then we looked at finding intercepts for graphs. And that was when we plugged in 0 for x and y to find the appropriate intercepts. And then last video we talked about slope. So now we're going to put those last two videos together, the slope and the intercept, and we're going to graph equations a lot easier. So you can see here I have two graphs per x and y axes. And so you notice that they're in the form y equals mx plus b. M stands for the slope, b stands for the y-intercept. So in this first equation, number 1, we have y equals 2x plus 1. That means my y-intercept is positive 1, which is this right here, and my slope is 2. And we know slope is rise over run. So we rise 2, run 1, rise 2, run 1, all the way up. And I want more than just 1 or 2 points on my graph. I want a lot of them. I can also go down 2 and left 1 because both of those are negative movements, and two negatives simplify to a positive. So down and left is the same thing. Here I have y equals 5x minus 2. This minus really is a negative sign, so that means my y-intercept is -2, which is down here. Now my slope is 5, so I'm going to rise 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and run 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and run 1. I can do the same thing over here with examples 3 and 4. I can use my slope and my y-intercept. I plot the y-intercept, I count my slope. Up 1, run 3. Up 1, run 3. Here I have -6 and positive 3/4, so I put my dot at -6. I rise 3 and run 4. Rise 3 and run 4. Examples 5 and 6, same thing. Plot my y-intercept, which is this number here. Now you notice all of these are in the form of y equals. It has to be y equals. Once I have that, then I have my y-intercept and my slope, and I can go ahead and graph those. So graph these last sets of problems, and we will discuss them more tomorrow. If you don't understand, we're going to be working on this for a long time. Have a good night.